Welcome to Liverpool, a city known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and now amazing broadband deals. If you're looking to find the best broadband deals in Liverpool, you're in the right place. Finding the perfect broadband deal can be overwhelming, but we're here to make it easy for you. Follow these simple steps to secure the best broadband deals in Liverpool. Step 1. Determine your needs. Think about what you need from your broadband service. Do you need high-speed internet for gaming or streaming, or will a basic be enough? Consider your usage and budget. Step 2. Compare broadband deals. Look at factors such as speed, price, contract length, and customer reviews. Our broadband comparison table makes it easy to see the best broadband deals in Liverpool. Step 3. Look for special offers and discounts. Many providers offer special deals and discounts, especially for new customers. Look for discounted rates, free setup, and gift cards. The broadband deals comparison table will show you the best special offers and discounts currently available. Step 4. Consider bundled packages. If you need more than just broadband, consider bundles that include TV and phone services. Bundles can often save you money. Step 5. Sign up and switch. Once you've found the best deal, sign up with the new provider. They will usually handle the switch from your current provider. Step 6. Set up your new broadband. Follow the instructions from your new provider to get your broadband up and running. By following these steps, you can find the best broadband deals in Liverpool and enjoy a reliable and fast internet connection. Visit our website today to compare the best broadband deals in Liverpool.